How to fix lag in Blox Fruit Mobile. So we do have a few options in order to do this. The first one is to basically just go to the top left corner into your settings and just pretty much decrease your graphics over here. Right now it's on automatic, but you can just do it manually by changing it to manual, of course, and turning it to the lowest graphics as you can, for less lag. But if it's already on automatic, then it should pretty much be set on the lowest graphics quality if you are already lagging. Then the next option is over here, right beside this volume thing. There should be a cog, the settings button, where you can go ahead and press on fast mode, which reduces lag by disabling materials. So again, recommended for mobile anyway. So once you press on that, it should work on it for a bit, and as you can see, materials will be disabled. It will look a bit plain. So those are the main ways in order to decrease your lag in Blox Fruit Mobile. So if this video does help you, and hopefully it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.